Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration on MTBC's rules-based system, Payer Rules and Regulations, Integrated and Simplified. Let's get started. One of the new items you'll see in the MTBC EMR is an item called the Rejected Claims. This top-level button will notify you of any claims which have been rejected through the MTBC system. Click on the button for rejected claims to review the 4 rejected claims which you need to resolve. The MTBC rules-based system is a collection of payer rules and regulations which prevent the submission of incorrect and unpayable claims. Before a claim is submitted, MTBC's rules engine will scrub each claim to determine whether or not any information is missing or if the existing information would prevent this claim from being paid. With MTBC's state-of-the-art claim scrubbing software, you can submit cleaner claims and get faster payments. We have developed a state-of-the-art claim scrubbing software which automatically edits and applies billing rules which are created, maintained, and updated by MTBC billing analysts. Additionally, you'll benefit from the entire MTBC network of clients who are also providing billing edits and rules to the MTBC RBS team. The MTBC rules-based system contains thousands of rules, which are used to analyze claims prior to the claim submission process. The MTBC RBS checks claims against payer, coding, and demographic edits. It ensures that diagnosis and procedure codes match, modifiers are applied, and that patient demographics are sufficient to ensure the claim payment. The MTBC RBS system is fully integrated into MTBC's medical billing software and the EHR. And through this rejected claims section, you can monitor the claims and make sure you're getting paid for the care that you provide. Claims which bounce out of MTBC's RBS system will be returned to your EHR through the rejected claims section. As an MTBC client, you may already be familiar with MTBC's pending transactions list, the web-based list of claims which require your attention. As you know, you can resolve these claims directly through the MTBC website by clicking into the pending transactions list and the number of claims which are currently on hold. This will now display a list of all of the claims which need your help in order to be submitted properly. Claims can be resolved directly through the MTBC website by clicking into any specific pending transactions list item and clicking on the patient's name. You can then provide the missing information directly through the MTBC website. The rejected claims section within the EMR works in a similar way. Claims which are rejected will be highlighted in the top menu with the number of rejected claims. Clicking on the Rejected Claims button will take you into the Rejected Claims section. Here you will find the total number of claims on the left-hand side, along with a corresponding rejection reason on the right-hand side. Here the first claim is for the patient James Smith. This patient has a rejection reason relating to his Medicare ID number. If we put our mouse over the rejection reason, we'll see that it says if a payer is Medicare, then the insurance policy number must be 9 to 11 characters, and the first 9 characters should be numeric. So what this is telling us is that there's a problem with this patient's insurance ID number. Let's go ahead and go to this specific screen and resolve this issue. Clicking on the Go to Screen button will take us directly to the form that we need to complete in order to resolve this issue. The EMR has now taken us into the Insurances section on this specific claim. Here we can see that this policy number only contains 6 characters. Let's go ahead and update this patient's policy number. We can double click and fill in the rest of the details. Once we've made our update, we can go back to the claim and save our update. Let's go back to the rejected claims section and mark this claim as resolved. You'll see that the check mark is already selected, and we can click the Resolve button to remove that specific item. The next claim is for the patient James Smith, and the rejection reason says that you have selected a facility, but the place of service is still listed as office. Let's go ahead and click on Go to Screen and resolve this claim. When we click on the Go to Screen button, it takes us directly into the relevant portion of that claim. And here we can see that a facility has been selected, along with from and to dates. Let's go back to the main page of the claim and see if the place of service is listed as office or facility. Here on the left-hand side of the screen, we have the current procedures that have been selected for this claim. Under the POS, or Place of Service column, we see that the OF selection has been made. This is for the office. If this was seen at an outpatient hospital, we should make the selection of OH, and the same for the other procedure as well. Once we've made that selection, we can go ahead and click Save and update our claim. If, for example, the issue was that the patient was not seen at a facility, then the OF selection could remain, and the facility should be removed from the Other Information section. In either scenario, after you've made your updates, you can go back to the Rejected Claims section and mark this claim as resolved. Finally, the last claim is for the patient Adam Brown, and let's take a look at this rejection reason. Here we see that the group number must be valid if entered, and the valid characters are A through Z and 0 through 9. So let's go ahead and click on Go to Screen, and we can see that in this group number we have entered some parentheses. We can click into the group number section and make the corrections necessary. Go back to the claim and save our updates. We can go back to the Rejected Claim section, and now we can see that all of these items have been resolved. The Rejected Claims button will return to its normal coloring, and you can go on with the rest of your day.